Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Queen Jody. That's the EP, right? That's so. Yeah. Alright guys, so we are basically on the road. We're up on the road from morning, you know. From morning. We get up like what? We get up from what? 5 o'clock.
Get up.
Yeah, we get up from about early 5 o'clock. And me stretch and send me out. Because you know what, I drop off on my yoga thing. So I kind of start do some stretch for kind of work my way back into my yoga. Yeah. So, AP, you gonna join me this time?
Did it?
Yeah man. But you're gonna join you. You see it do. Anyways. Yes guys, so with that, AP alone eat from morning at 12 o'clock.
Let me eat from morning. I didn't eat anything, huh?
Yeah, eat noodles.
That's nothing.
That's nothing.
You know, but
anyways.
really, from the other day, I don't feel like eating. When you're in Africa, it's like sometimes you want to eat and there's
sometimes you
just feel like you don't want nothing. I don't know.
Because like I haven't eaten from morning. It's just now I'm starting to feel the hunger pinch.
Yeah.
You understand?
You feel hungry. I don't feel hungry.
Yeah, but you put something in your stomach this morning.
Anyways.
Exactly. Anyway, we drink something. Guys, we get some tea. We drink some tea. Nice and tea.
Oh.
Listen, I'm gonna have two products we reach here, you know, all the way from Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
One name cock soup and one name we call it Excelsior water crackers.
You know, when I'm watching back you on the videos there, I cannot understand what you're saying, huh?
Is that so?
You should speak in your American voice.
Me not have no American voice.
You should speak in your American voice.
Oh, speak in my American voice.
Yes, so they can understand you. You're proper English. Your mom's is
like
watching,
Like our mother used to say, speak the Queen's language.
What is this? What is the Queen's language?
English.
Right now, these days, we basically speak Mandinka and all of.
But you see, through my name Queen Jody, I speak my language, Patois. That's my language, the Queen's language. Yeah. Patois is Queen Jody's language.
I hear you.
Anyways, anybody need a translator, you can just let me know. You can hire me, you know.
Oh, I want to say shout out to everybody. Thank you guys for supporting us. Thank you. It's been 1 year in the Gambia, guys. Oh my God.
Yes, I know you see those videos. You see those videos coming, yeah? Yeah, those are the anniversary videos. We're not get to do no official nothing yet. Because I wanted to do a documentary. But let's see how that goes.
Don't know about your documentary right now.
You see though, if not, I
don't have no time, huh? I'm driving, I'm cooking, I'm watching, I'm doing something.
Okay, no problem. We'll hire another. Yeah. Anyways.
Yeah.
Shout out to all our family.
Yeah.
You understand?
Oh guys.
Our YouTube family.
Guys, let me put this in there. Shout out to two persons that joined our YouTube membership. Thank you.
Congratulations. Welcome to the YouTube family. No, but you have to say it's like the
we need a name.
Yeah, and
guys, give
YouTube
a name.
family.
You know what?
YouTube family already.
Here what happened? Comment below and give us a name. We need a name, like give us a name that for the family. Yeah.
Well,
the person will come up with the best name. Win a song. Like we sing something, right? We do something special.
Win a song.
I don't know.
If you plan to give away album for free.
Hey, that one is not good.
Alright.
Wait, after I come, stay right there. Stay right there after I come, don't worry, huh?
Anyways, so peeps with up on the road a full joy with self.
Oh no, wait. Let me finish it, man. So family, if you want to become a member of our YouTube family, you can do so by clicking the join button where you normally have the subscribe button. Yeah, it's right there. Alright, you guys are welcome. Oh my God, I share so much stuff in there. Woo. And more is coming.
No, I'm gonna say the VIP.
The VIP.
The VIP family, because we don't have a YouTube family already, AP.
No, VIP just come on, need something.
No, we just differentiate the fact, say, you have some YouTubers who have subscribed to the membership.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
So.
No, like really, in the membership, we're going to share a lot more in it. We also have a Patreon, guys, but I think it's easier for a lot of people just click join and just become a part of the family line. And that's wow, that building is nice.
Yeah, I know. My aunt can't turn around feet AP.
Yeah, no, it's
I want big round building to you.
Yeah, that means see, that's what I'm saying.
Wow.
Nice, right?
Interesting.
Yeah. Shout out to everybody who's building in Africa right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But no, it can be rough and it can be tough.
Yeah.
Construction not easy, you know.
No.
Anyways.
So shout out to everybody who's billing. You guys are awesome. Shout out to everybody who came to Africa and stay in Africa. Shout out to you guys.
And shout out to everybody who visit Africa and say they soon come back. Yeah.
When I talk so deep, part of many people don't understand your journey.
No,
you have to
I
kind
can
of
translate
dilute it a little bit.
Okay, so what I just said, guys,
Yes.
is that shout out to all the persons who have already came to Africa.
All right.
And I mean, like, to visit Africa and went back.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know
And they
what?
decided to come again.
You know the funniest thing? Yes, do it like that. Yeah. So I'm
you
gonna
know, so
tell
you have to go pay.
No. It's exercising. It's exercising, Jody.
Any peers?
So
Catching dimples.
see the dimples alone, huh? I know it's beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
Shout out to my moms. I love you. Yeah. So guys, it's nice. It's wonderful. Today is a happy day. I'm happy.
Yeah, it's a wonderful day.
And we're driving, but for some reason we just want you to see a beautiful face. So we're not showing the street today. I'm sorry.
Anyway, so guys, as you know, we are doing some work.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh my God. Thank you so much for reminding me. I'm sorry. I'm not doing supper today. Jody, hold it like this, kind of light.
Hold on, let me switch my hand because.
No, you can't switch. Your hands just don't switch.
Hold on. Oh my gosh. Shout out to all of the YouTubers, them we have to go through them something, yeah? Just to make people see what are going over Africa, yeah?
Yeah.
Anyways.
Shout out, special shout out and full congratulations to everybody who purchased their land in Piran! Yay! You guys are awesome. Thank you guys for trusting our process.
Yes.
Thank you guys for believing in us and giving us a chance to help you.
That's right.
It's wonderful. Thank you.
And we are so happy, guys, to bring the quality, to bring the customer service we want us to deserve and desire.
Yeah,
you understand?
Guys are dope. You guys are like dope.
So
yeah, and so we went there and we cleaned. There was a cleaning process going on, and then we're going back for demarcation. It's gonna be awesome.
I can't wait for demarcation.
Yeah. Can't wait for people start building up their wall because that's all go on.
You understand me?
Yeah, off the grid style.
Anyways,
I told you guys. You going that way? Oh, yeah.
We get some food there because the stomach can grow.
What you talking about, right?
Yeah, the stomach can
you want to stop at that place and stuff?
Yeah, we can.
Alright, guys. We're continuing.
Yeah, we're going to hold our food over here, so. And then
you sure you
finish up the work.
You sure you want to stop at that one, yeah?
So, Essence is gone.
Essence is gone.
Guys, so Essence is gone again.
And diesel as well.
And diesel. So I don't know how these cars are going to be running without gas.
We can use water.
Use water. You know what? It's high time we hire a donkey or a horse.
Donkey or horse, huh?
Wow.
Wow, that's
that would be the backup transportation.
Transportation,
yes,
yeah, that could work.
Or your leg mobility.
Leg mobility. Hey, but that works. Like when you're in the Gambia and you can walk around, it's one of the coolest things.
For real, man.
For us, when we just come, we do a lot of that.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yes, because we wanted
For real.
Get that experience at the place and things like that.
Yeah.
Oh, how rude have we? So we stopped and we ate food.
Yeah, my belly full.
At the new mall. And it was crazy fun.
Yeah, I know, right?
Jody didn't have all of our food. I didn't get to eat.
Yeah, I had vegetables that. Oh my gosh, the fish was nice. I won't lie, it's butterfish.
Okay.
But the way they do it, with the lemon juice and things on it, really nice.
Yeah, it was good. I can't buy the lemon thing on the food, but it's
You don't like the lime?
Nah, I don't.
I like it. I love the tangy taste.
Anyways,
I guess
guys.
that's why I like tamarind so much. Long time I'm not drinking tamarind juice, you know?
Yeah, that's weird.
Yeah.
Anyways, the Gambia is hot, but then it's cold. I'm doing the weather forecast for the Gambia. It's hot with a little bit of cold. Yes. It's now Hamatan time. So
yeah, Hamatan season.
They call it the winter season in Gambia. Which is weird because the sun's still a boil, as I say. But yeah, guys, you know, we're here in the Gambia living life. Give thanks 1 year. 1 year!
It's 1 year, guys. Oh my gosh. Yeah. 1 year is amazing.
And I want to say as well, one more time, shout out to everybody who supported us since day one.
Yeah.
When we started at Jamaica, you guys are like, you can do it.
Yeah.
Go to Africa.
And even now, you have some people like, oh my gosh, I can't believe how you guys did it.
Yeah.
You know, and stuff
So,
like that.
if you guys haven't watched our videos, 500 USD and a plane ticket, it will pop up to the top right now. Check that one out. You guys will see a recap of our journey from Jamaica here. You know, it's cool. If you're traveling to the Gambia, I would say expect to be nice. Because Gambia is nice, huh?
Gambia nice, huh?
Yeah. So, yeah, just expect to be nice.
If you're coming in this time, you're coming in good weather.
Yes. Good time for building as well.
Yeah.
So, you know, so a lot of people are going to build these days, I know.
And for those who came during the rainy season and you saw what your land looked like, you can know if your land did a flood or not.
You're buying a swamp. Yeah.
That was not good, huh?
That is not good.
Yeah, but anyways, it's been fun. It's been fun.
Yeah.
It's been a lot of hard work. But you know, with everything comes hard work.
Right. Look,
And
I remember this building over there, that blue one.
yeah, this blue one here.
When it was building, it was naked.
Yeah, I know.
Now,
Look at it.
Look at it.
It's beautiful.
That building is like us. First it was just brick,
Yeah.
and now it's beauty.
Yeah.
Give thanks.
See, a lot of places going up now, as we tell you guys, in terms of the.
Good.
Okay, guys, so we're back on the road again.
Yeah.
Woo, after that long meal, AP.
Yeah. So one thing I want you guys to do for me, please. Hey Jody, we match out for some reason.
Yeah, the colors them nice.
Yeah, that's
I
nice.
likes it.
I would like to hear from you guys, so please comment below and let us know what are some of the things that you would like to see us talk about. You know, some of the questions that you have that are unanswered. Comment below. Maybe we'll make a video upon it. That would be nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because for right now, for like sit down and talk to one somebody sometimes it's not easy.
Tough.
You understand?
Unless you're a part of our private community.
It's dead easy there.
On YouTube.
So
Yeah.
we'll share as much as we can, guys. Some things we have to just hold on to until, you know, like when you get a message and a message there for you, you can't share. But when time a message come and you say, hey, share, you share.
Unless it's a part of our private community.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, yeah, you know, I don't know. We're very thankful
And we're very grateful. I mean, yes, thankful, grateful, whichever one.
1 year, man.
Yeah,
Give
it's
thanks.
been 1 year, EP.
We did it, you know.
We did it.
And we're going further, you know.
Yes.
Branching
We're
out.
doing a lot more.
Yeah.
We just can't say everything on camera, you know, guys?
Give thanks.
Yeah, so.
Oh, nice business. And there's a lot of new business popping up as well, which is
Yeah.
very good. It's very good. This country is gonna change drastically. Like
We tell you,
fast.
don't say, if anything, say you heard it first from AP and Queen Jody.
Yeah.
When we come and we show no wagwan and we say Ray, you guys know. So, you know,
Yeah.
we don't have to say nothing more. We just go and live and set the example.
Oh, that car look just like mine.
Yeah, it does.
This is funny. But
Yeah.
you know, wow, what the
Oh, this
battery
thing is saying
temperature.
temperature is too high. You see, the sun is hot.
Are you
today.
you are actually recording. Hey, the phone is burning up.
The phone says it's hot.
You know, I thought you were not recording, but this the phone is like,
Oh my gosh.
consider me. It's too hot.
Too hot there.
So-
Anyways, so guys, we're on about finishing up on the road,
Yeah.
and we're gonna go in,
Relax.
relax,
Tomorrow again, we're on the road again.
and check out some things from our internet there.
Yeah. So guys, make sure you subscribe. Stay true to the channel.
That's right.
Watch all of the videos, them guys.
That's right.
Thank you for everybody who watched the ads. It means
Yep.
a lot.
Yep.
Thank you to all of our YouTube membership.
Uh-huh.
All of our people who join our YouTube membership. Thank you. Shout out to our Patreon family. We love you guys.
All right.
And yeah,
Until next time.
yeah, we have a lot more coming, guys. Love when you see.
Not gonna win, no.
Not gonna
We've got a lot more coming.
wait. What?